Tired of waiting for dependency installation every time you run your FastMCP server? We'll show you how to pre-install all dependencies once using FastMCP Project Prepare, then reuse that environment for lightning-fast server starts. You'll see the two-step pattern that separates setup from execution, making development and deployment smoother. Step 1. Prepare the environment installs dependencies. FastMCP project prepare FastMCP. JSON output dir my env. Step 2. Run using the prepared environment fast, no dependency installation. FastMCP run FastMCP. JSON project my env. This demonstrates the prepared environment pattern, a technique for separating dependency management from runtime execution. The pattern creates a reusable, isolated environment with all dependencies pre-installed, allowing subsequent runs to execute immediately without repeated setup. What makes this distinctive is its two-phase workflow. A one-time preparation step followed by fast, repeatable execution using the prepared environment. The approach works by leveraging project isolation through modern Python tooling. First, a declarative configuration defines all dependencies, which are then materialized into a dedicated project directory with pre-installed packages. Subsequent runs reference this prepared environment, bypassing the dependency resolution phase entirely. This separation enables reproducible environments while maintaining execution speed, as the heavy lifting of dependency installation happens exactly once. This pattern solves the classic trade-off between development convenience and production reliability. It eliminates the works on my machine problem by making environments explicit and portable, while avoiding the performance penalty of repeated dependency installation. The technique is particularly valuable for deployment scenarios, CI/CD pipelines, or any situation where you need consistent execution across different machines without sacrificing startup speed. Let's break it down line by line. Step 1. Prepare the environment installs dependencies. FastMCP project prepare FastMCP. JSON output dir my env. This prepares the execution environment by installing all dependencies specified in FastMCP, JSON. The output dir flag creates a reusable environment directory, eliminating repeated installations for subsequent runs. This is the standard FastMCP project initialization pattern for reproducible execution. Step 2. Run using the prepared environment fast, no dependency installation. FastMCP run FastMCP. JSON project my env. This executes the project using the pre-installed environment from Step 1. The project flag points to the prepared environment directory, eliminating redundant dependency installation and ensuring consistent, fast execution. This is the standard two-phase pattern for reproducible FastMCP workflows. Prepare once, run many times. Environment separation pattern. The two-step prepare and run workflow separates environment setup from execution, enabling reproducible deployments where dependencies are installed once and reused across multiple server invocations. The output dir parameter is required for project prepare, but becomes optional when running with project, as the environment path defaults to the prepared directory. This pattern eliminates the cold start penalty in deployment scenarios where environment setup is the bottleneck.
The environment that disappears from your command becomes the foundation of every command